have today are predominantly rainbow trout with some golden trout mixed in with them. Good sizes, good assortment, good brood stock. Fish anywhere up to 20 inches long, but just a good overall assortment of trout here. Right now today we're stocking, and we want to get the fish into the water, in where the current is, where there's lots of oxygen. A lot of times near the edges of the stream we have sediment, and if the sediment gets in their gills, the fish don't do very well. The correct technique is to give a good toss into the water, avoid any kind of like big rocks, anything like that. We want the fish to enter the water properly.